Hi friends, it's Suzanne here, a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to Cardember. This is a month-long creative series using holiday-themed products. I don't know about you, but I give out a lot of Christmas cards, and I thought that I would take you along with me as I attempt to use all the holiday-themed products that I purchased to meet the demand of my card giving season. Let's get into it. Hello friends. Okay, I have full admission here. This Window Wishes bundle is no longer available. You can buy the dies, I think, and you can buy, in Canada, you can buy the French version. It is still valid. So that's the reason why I'm sharing it with you today. Also, I made online class featuring this stamp set and die bundle, and unfortunately when I went to edit, I realized that the third card design was nowhere to be found. I lost it somewhere on my computer. So instead of scrapping all of the work I did, and you know, like, creation isn't too hard, but it is kind of it's kind of a bummer when stuff like that happens. So I thought I would share with you the creation of two card designs, this one, and then I will edit one later this week with using the Many Merry Wishes stamp set and die bundle, and perhaps you have purchased it and would get some inspiration from it. Or perhaps you have something similar that you can use. So there's a station wagon I stamped in real red, and it has little tires. So cute. I stamped them in Memento Tuxedo Black ink. This is Pool Party, to which I am stamping snow. And I know you probably can notice that my voice is gone. I worked myself into a dizzy this year at Christmas time, and I always, whenever you take time off, you end up getting sick, and I have a sore throat. That's it. I've tested myself. It's not COVID yet. Anyway, I'm coming up negative, but and I still have a couple more days work before I can really start to relax. So trucking along here. I will have to pick up some honey. It's the one thing that I ran out of in my house during the holidays. I have lots of turkey, and I have lots of, stuffing and all the things. All right, so moving on here, I stamped one of the trees out of shaded spruce because I thought that was a good tree color. And what I did was I fussy cut just one tree out, and I put a little bit of dimensional adhesive. Oftentimes I cut some of the dimensional border, or I call them bones, and I cut them to make thin strips. So that's what I did with this tree, and I'm putting it on that old station wagon. So I'm using Granny Apple Green for the trees, and then a little bit of soft succulent as well. And that card panel is going to go on my shaded spruce card panel, and then it's all going to go on soft succulent card base. But I did stamp that sentiment, and I stamped it with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And what I'm going to what I ended up doing was cutting this sentiment apart. And oftentimes I do this, especially if it's too long of a sentiment, or it's, I want to make one of the words a different color is a good reason to do that. So if you take away anything from this card design today, it is that. Remember that you don't have to stick with the rules when it comes to sentiments. You can stamp them on a second piece of paper and cut them apart and cut them in different and stamp in different colors and mix and match to your heart's content. All right, so I'm almost finished with the card design here, or the putting everything together. I just did this in real time because it was such a quick card. So cute to put together. I had it in my basket at work and it was sold immediately. And in case you guys know, if you're local, you can always come into the hair salon and take a look at my cards. They're there for sale. I only charge $2 for them because I want them to be used. I'm not going to, they're sort of a byproduct. Anyway, I'm putting on the sentiment very catawampously, and I'm going to put a little bit of Wink of Stella on the tree, and that is the card for today. So I do thank you and for watching and subscribing. I would love to get to 20,000 this year. I do appreciate all the thumbs upping and the kind words that you guys send. I will be doing a few more of these cards, last chance, just because, you know, it is what it is. I'm not going to be sharing new stuff until January the 5th, and when you can order them, because I'm not into teasing my customers. So thanks for putting up with my terrible voice right now, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.